Here's my first look at Fable 5 after 2 hours of using it to do a new feature development. And I want to give you a sneak peek. I've got a longer video coming out, but I want to just sort of show off what it's been able to do. So this is Claude Desktop. This is the first time I've actually used this for coding. And I had it do a bunch of work. We came up with a huge plan. I've got my Makefile set up with my app creator skill, so I can just run my app from here. And this is the new timer. I had it update some settings. What I'm working on is a new onboarding. So I'm going to bring up the onboarding and just sort of show that off. This is the new onboarding. I need to replace this video, but that's the placeholder for right now. And it's an interactive onboarding experience. So I have it so that it takes us through how to use the app. It sort of tells you what to do, shows off the timer. You get some first experiences using the timer. It kind of guides you on trying to get started with it. So getting you to type to start the timer, choosing how you want your end behavior, or if you want it to restart automatically after a certain period of time. So you can choose these different settings. And then picking out colors. So like if you want it to just be black, we could go with black. Picking sound effects. How many times that should repeat. And then choosing how you want to use the timer. Like, do you want to use full screen, make it on top of all windows, in the timer or in the menu bar, on top of other apps. And then we're good to go. We've got the timer. And then I've got a little tutorial thing. It's where you check off things by doing certain actions. So you can actually start a timer and you can add time. So I could say, give me 5 minutes. And so that will add 5 minutes to my timer. I have to pick up my daughter usually at 4:30. So if I need to do that, I type something like 4:30 p.m., press enter, and it gives me a countdown to that time. And we can go full screen and just sort of work through these different things. So that is working, and it is already pinned. So now we've done everything and we're finished with that tutorial. So that's super easy timer. That's what I was able to implement with Fable 5. It took 2 hours roughly. Planning took about 30 minutes, and I was really hoping to do it within an hour, but you've got to wait for Fable 5. And I burned through 500,000 tokens, 84% of my 5-hour limit. So I'm almost out of time. And that is a sneak peek. So let me know if there's anything that you want to learn. I am going to be doing the Codex session next, and then sort of comparing how the two were able to work on this new feature. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you want to get more videos like this or see the full demo, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.